Hey guys, what's up? This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2014 Pete 389 flat top glider kit to show you. Probably one of the cleaner, higher mileage glider kits that's available on the market today. You can see it's even still got the original plastic in the floor back there. I've gotten it hot this morning. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you old pressure blow by. Let's go ahead and get rolling. This one's got just a little over 1 million miles on it overall and 170,000 on the overhaul. It does have a pre-elog 12.7 liter Detroit and a 13 speed. Really nice overall platinum interior. I think you're gonna love the color combo as well. You can see the low side oil pressure is fantastic. Pressure jumps up there, super smooth. Overall, mechanically, really nice. Super clean underneath the line. Excellent steers. Love that green and black. That's a really cool look. I don't always love painted tanks, but when it's done like this, tastefully done, it's a good look. The only body or paint damage I really see, you got what's these typical, these little brackets here. I'm assuming from the heat from the exhaust. Start to need to be repainted. You got this spot on the exhaust right there. Back of the cab's extremely good shape. Frame rails, really good condition. Excellent brakes. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else that we've got, feel free to give me a shout. 901-896-4526. You can also reach me anytime at my email, joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.